Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Neet biology effectively in 20 days. First, let's outline a clear, achievable plan. Begin by dividing your entire syllabus into 20 daily segments, ensuring you cover all essential topics. Focus on understanding core concepts from NCERT textbooks, which are crucial for success. Remember, consistent effort over these 20 days will build a strong foundation for your examination. Now, let's dive into effective study techniques. The NCERT textbooks are your primary resource. Read them multiple times to grasp every detail. Create short, crisp notes for each chapter, highlighting key points and formulas. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can significantly improve retention. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to new concepts and 1 hour to revision. Consistent practice is vital for success. Aim to solve at least 100 multiple-choice questions every day, focusing on both accuracy and speed. Take full-length mock tests regularly to simulate exam conditions and manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, understanding where you made mistakes. This iterative process of practice and analysis will sharpen your skills. Finally, let's talk about maintaining your well-being during this intensive period. A balanced diet and 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep are non-negotiable for optimal brain function. Remember to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to refresh your mind. Stay positive, manage stress, and trust in your preparation. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.